I'm Shweta and this is Sharmili, and together we worked on our information integration project, Tring Guide, which is your one stop solution to everything you need to know before buying a phone. Now, typically, if you wanted to buy a phone, you would start off by going to some website like Phone Arena or GSM Arena to view the phone specifications. You would do a bit of research, read through a lot of specifications, at which point you'd realize that you needed some expert opinions before making your decision. So you'd then go over to YouTube or some such website to look for reviews about your phone. You'd then maybe watch one or two reviews and then look for tips or tricks or other things that people look at while buying this phone. Now, this is something that we thought would be useful before and during the period where you own your phone. You might want to look for tips and tricks that you'd use after buying your phone, or even before you buy your phone, just to see what issues people run into with that phone. Another thing you might be interested in while shopping for your phone is its resale value, because this is something that people keep in mind because they might want to upgrade their phone after a year or so, and this would definitely give them an idea of what their phone is worth. Now, for the less popular phones, we had to delve into Craigslist to find resale value because Glide just had the more popular ones. So, at the end of the day, we decided to build one integrated tool, one resource that anyone could use to go from the stage of reviewing different phones to buying their phone and then finally deciding what to do when they sell it.
Hi everyone, let's see how this site works. Let's start by typing in the phone model which we want to know about. Let's click on the search button. This search feature is a live search feature which was implemented using jQuery. So on clicking the search button, this takes us to the specifications tab, which has all the features listed, like the phone model, camera, dimensions, the memory, OS, etc., which any user would want to know about. Next, let's go to the review tab. Here we're showing an embedded YouTube video as a review. This is chosen over normal text reviews because this is more interactive and hands-on, and it talks about various issues and as well as comparisons with other mobiles which are latest in the market. So let's move on to the troubleshooting tab now. Here we show a list of tips and tricks which will be useful for someone who owns this phone and would like to know about the various troubleshooting mechanisms, and as well as normal navigation system inside the phone, like how to reach a directory, how to reach a particular directory, or how to increase the brightness. Um, Next, we move on to the resale tab. Here we can see that a list of phone models along with the capacity, color, and the mobile carrier are listed, and the prices for the various phones are also listed. All these belong to the same phone model, except that they vary in terms of capacity, color, and price. This tab is useful for someone who is looking to buy a new phone, uh, buy a already used phone, or for someone who's trying to sell a phone, he can check the price at which the phone is being sold in the market.
So, let's look at another phone. One of the other features that I wanted to highlight is that while viewing the specifications of the phone, any user can also look at detailed specifications using Phone Arena, which was our original source for all the specifications that we show. In the future, we'd love to integrate an actual e-commerce site which will let users buy and sell secondhand phones from our website, and definitely use Amazon's Elasticsearch to add a faceted and filtered search to this website. Thank you for listening.